Using a business credit card can be an effective way to manage your company's finances, earn rewards, and establish credit. To get started, you need to understand what a business credit card is and how it works. A business credit card is a type of credit card designed specifically for business use, offering benefits such as higher credit limits, rewards programs, and expense tracking tools. First, you need to choose the right business credit card for your company. Consider factors such as the interest rate, fees, rewards program, and credit limit. Look for a card that offers rewards in categories where your business spends the most, such as office supplies or travel. You can use a business credit card for a variety of expenses, including travel, equipment purchases, and everyday business expenses. To use a business credit card, start by making purchases within your credit limit. You can use the card for online transactions, in-store purchases, or to pay bills. Many business credit cards offer online account management tools, allowing you to track expenses, view statements, and make payments. You can also use these tools to set up alerts and reminders to help you stay on top of your finances. One of the key benefits of a business credit card is the ability to earn rewards. Many cards offer rewards programs that allow you to earn points or cash back on your purchases. You can use these rewards to offset business expenses or redeem them for travel or other perks. To get the most out of your rewards program, make sure to use your card for all eligible purchases and pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. To manage your business credit card effectively, it is essential to establish a system for tracking expenses and making payments. Set up a budget and stick to it, and make sure to review your statements regularly to ensure accuracy. You should also consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Best practices for using a business credit card include keeping personal and business expenses separate, making timely payments, and monitoring your credit score. By following these best practices and using your business credit card responsibly, you can help establish a strong credit history for your company and take advantage of the many benefits that business credit cards have to offer.